the Swayambhurna Goa program is entering into its 4th year. It has been a very, very successful journey of last 3 years of the Swayambhurna Goa program. Swayambhurna Goa program was launched on 2nd October 2020. Government has been always for Mahila Sashaktikarana. We have hundreds of self-help groups registered with Rural Development Agency under Rural Livelihood Mission. We have hundreds of self-help groups, Mahila self-help groups registered with the Director of Municipal Admission under Urban Livelihood Mission. The Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, will also launch the ANNAPURNA MUKHYAMANTRI ANNAPURNA YOJANA on 2nd October. This scheme is made for self-help group Mahilas, and canteens available in all the departments in running condition today. If they are being run by a private contractor other than the Mahilas, other than the self-help group Mahilas, will be discontinued in coming 2 months' time with due notice. Henceforth, the government has decided under MUKHYAMANTRI ANNAPURNA YOJANA, canteens will be run in all the government establishments to be run by Mahila self-help groups. This scheme MUKHYAMANTRI ANNAPURNA YOJANA will be implemented by the Rural Development Agency.